On November 3rd, I was severely attacked in the face by a dog. My whole top lip and areas around my nose were completely ripped off. We were not playing, he was just sitting and I was patting his head. I stood up, I turned around, then I turned back, and he literally lunged at my face, shaking my head like a doll. When he finally let go of my head, something fell down to the ground. I went to pick it up, and it was my lips and nose. The first day I came back from the hospital, I looked at myself in the mirror and almost had a breakdown. I was in shock, I was scared, I was afraid of how other people would react. I was terrified about my future or if I would be able to smile again or eat normally. But within a week, I learned to love myself. I knew that this is not what I am going to look like for the rest of my life. And if it was, I would learn to love and accept myself. My face had healed a lot since the first surgery. I remember waking up from the surgery and being too scared to see what I looked like. It wasn't until almost the last day in the hospital that I looked down at my phone screen and saw my reflection. I was shocked, but I remembered that I have to trust the process. And I can't wait to continue to heal and move forward with the surgeries. My life had completely changed. This attack had taught me to truly love myself inside and out, regardless of what people say. It taught me that society puts high standards on beauty, but the reality is that everyone is beautiful in their own ways. This story motivates us to what the situation is. It cannot stop us from becoming a complete personality. Thank you so much for watching.